Alright guys, quick tutorial on Luma Fusion. This is how to export your file. So you already got your movie in here. This is on your timeline, and then you want to export your file down here to the right hand corner, and in the right hand corner you're going to see this icon. So let's tap on that. Okay, once you tap on that, these options. Okay, so you want to tap on movie. Okay, and from here you got all these different options and where you want to send it. Now if you want to export it to a file on your iPad, then what you want to do is you want to add edit destinations, and when you do that you can create a file. So I already created my file. It's called render movies folder, so I'm gonna just tap on that, but you can create a file of your own with a name that you recognize. Let's go to render movies. Okay, once you hit that, so from here you can choose the different settings. So like for example, resolution, if you're exporting to YouTube, I'm going to do 1920 by 1080, but if you tap on the side of that, you're going to get all these different options. So you have all these, you can even do 4K if you wanted to. So you got different options. So I'm going to choose 1920 by 1080 because that's the usual resolution. You can change the frame rate. You can change the quality. So this is the quality for web, which is fine by me. You can change the audio quality. So let's just see that you can change the audio quality if you want to a higher version. This is the codec. Now this is the typical one that's used, H.264, and you can choose any of these file format. MPEG-4. That's the normal one that I use, but you can choose others. So you got this different ones in there. So there you go. And then the next thing you want to do is, once you have everything set, and once again you got the little box with the arrow, this is where you're gonna tap to begin the process. So okay, and in here by default it has a name called regular frame. So you want to change that. You just want to, and you want to export it, give it a name that you want to give it. So I gave it a name that I'm going to remember, and once you have that set, you got your name, and it even tells you how much space you have left. Once again, you're going to do the square with the up arrow. Okay, and now you're going to see that it's beginning to write the movie. And these are all the different ones. I forgot to change the name on this one, so it says regular frame, but that's another video. Now I'm going to show you where to find your file, your movie file, so then you can upload it to wherever you need to. So okay, to find your movie file, you want to go to the file folder here. Let's click on that. Okay, find the movie file. You're gonna, it's on your iPad, the one we just got out of Luma Fusion. You want to go to on my iPad, and you want to go to Luma Fusion. Okay, tap on Luma Fusion, and then out of all these folders, the one you want is this one here. You want the one that says user media, and then from there, the folder that you named, that you saved on to, is render movies, which is the one I created. We're going to go there, and there are your files. From here, depending on which one of these you want to use, you're just going to, from here, select the one that you want. So let's hit select, and from there you're going to hit the one that you want. So we want to tap on the one you want to select. Okay, hit share, and then you'll be able to share it out to wherever you need to. So, and for my purpose, for what I'm doing now, you can do it a different way. You can save it to another device by save video here, share to Luma Fusion. You can do several things, but what I normally do if my movie is ready to be rendered, I usually just save it to my drive. And then once you're ready to upload it to your drive, you just want to tap on upload. Okay, then it begins to upload, and then you will see this file. It's going to appear on Google Drive. And there you go. Hope that was helpful to you.